In this video, I will tell you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. So first what you need to do is open Trust Wallet and make sure you back up your 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper and never save it as a screenshot. Now tap on receive from the home screen. Search for the coin you want to receive like USDT, BNB or BTC. Next choose the correct network carefully. If you are receiving USDT, you can select BEP20 for lower fees or TRC20 or ERC20 depending on what Binance supports. For BNB, choose BEP20 and for Bitcoin, choose the Bitcoin network. After that, tap the copy icon to copy your wallet address. You will also see a QR code on the screen. There is also a new feature in Trust Wallet called Deposit from Exchange. You can tap Receive, then Deposit from Exchange. Choose Binance and it will automatically open Binance and fill in the address for you if the feature is available. Now open the Binance app and go to Wallets, then Spot, then tap Withdraw. Choose the same coin you selected in Trust Wallet. Tap Send via Crypto Network. Paste your Trust Wallet address into the address field. Then select the exact same network you picked in Trust Wallet. This is very important because using the wrong network can cause you to lose your crypto. For example, BNB on BEP20 is different from BNB on BEP2. Enter the amount you want to send. For your first transfer, it is better to send a small test amount like $5 to $10. Binance will show you the network fee and estimated arrival time. Tap Withdraw to continue. Complete the security verification using your email code, 2FA or passkey. Now wait for the transfer to arrive. BSC and Tron usually take around 1 to 2 minutes. Ethereum may take 2 to 5 minutes and Bitcoin can take around 10 to 30 minutes. Finally go back to Trust Wallet and pull down to refresh the app. Your balance should appear under the token. If you do not see the token, tap the filter icon in the top right corner and enable it. You can also tap Add Custom Token and paste the token contract address if needed. Once your test transfer arrives successfully, you can repeat the same steps to send the full amount. That's how you transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.